My name's Lewis Lupton. I'm the Head of Training and Technical Support for Dunlop in the UK. One of the most frequently asked questions we receive is why not use PVA in both the flooring and the tiling industry? Quite simply, PVA can break down with water. The products that you're going to use are mainly going to contain water, so that can have a real detrimental effect on their performance. And if it doesn't break down with water, all of us can relate to those early days where we painted it on our fingers and hands and we peeled it off quite easily too. So therefore it can also form a barrier to adhesion. We're going to show you a little simple demonstration just as to why you shouldn't use PVA and the effect that water and moisture can have on it and the way that it breaks down. Earlier on today we applied a coat of PVA to this tile. We're going to simply splash some water on it and see the immediate effect that water has on PVA. As you can see, the water causes the PVA to re-emulsify. So this can lead to altering the chemistry of the product that you're applying. It can also impede adhesion of the smoothing and levelling compound or the tile adhesive. So if you're looking for a suitable primer for your smoothing and levelling compound or your tile adhesive, always choose an acrylic primer such as Dunlop Multi-Purpose Primer. This simple to use product is colour indicated for identification, fast drying at only 30 minutes, and will improve the performance of your cement-based smoothing and levelling compound or cement-based tile adhesive. For more information on the Dunlop Multi-Purpose Primer or to find your nearest stockist, contact us now or visit dunloptrade.com.